Okay, so examples of UI design, we have your website, responsive web design, and then you have mobile apps. Oh, this is supposed to be UI design, sorry for the mistake. So you have your web design. Your web design should be responsive because you know your users will open them on various screens. It's not just on your laptop. And then you have the mobile app designs that UI designers do, and then you have your iconography. UI designers design icons as well. There's some UI designers that design, like, their specialty is designing icons, so that's what they mainly do. And then there are some that their specialty is designing illustrations, that's what they mainly do. And there are some that are specialized in just mobile design, and there are some that are specialized in just web design. All those like are examples of what a UI designer should be able to do. Is that understood?